You're very beautiful, very magnetic, very alluring. Yeah, very sought after, greatly admired. You're called to deepen your relationship with breath. Shu, observing the placement of your tongue, the vibration of words, and your voice is key, vocal cord. So yeah, your energy and your voice are, it can be quite spicy, and yet spicy in a very alchemical, potent, yet sweet way. With the cinnamon, also abundance frequency, Oshun energy, which makes sense with the attraction, with the sweetness of words or potency of words, depending on what's needed. We got breath and water and a neighbor with some loud news. So maybe there's some news going on. Maybe there's some political vibes going on where you are. It's getting louder and louder. Trying to override your intuition here with water. You may have heard the island mentioned and see how bombarding the messaging is. This is a time for celebration, even as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones that came against you, those dominoes are falling. And there is a link to maybe an antique shop, something to do with Europe, gold. Someone may have a gold artifact that's connected to someone's who came against you, that Shango and or Oya is dealing with, is on their case, while you are here in fairy and mermaid land, being your beautiful self. This can also be your feminine side, feminine essence, and this is quite neutral. And here we have a domino falling right next to this one here. So this is a low vibe magician. And at this falling is a celebration, a group celebration, and a djembe drum that showed up yesterday. So we got water here and a mermaid infused with fairy. We got a vessel here and we got water again. So it's as if you, yes, mermaid, breathe underwater. Energetically speaking, this is not advice. However, I have learned from real life experience that from having a real close call as a child in water, that you do have an extra breath, but someone and or someone's has a unique relationship between breath, shu, and water. And then you also got communication. Someone may want to gift an ibo by a river to the sweet waters. So cinnamon is here right by the water. Yeah, you can definitely tell I'm not in the forest right now. This is a busy space, so someone may have maybe staying somewhere else just for one night, or something happening in one night. Maybe these dominoes falling and you're not concentrating on that. You're alchemizing energy being your beautiful, sweet, and spicy self, your abundant self, observing and balancing and tuning your breath, watching your words, and here you are quiet, eyes closed, energy loud, and or at least felt and potent. And here you have these beautiful shells. I see a yellow/golden shell, Oshun, Yemanja infusion, and also this is again shell, cinnamon, water, Ife, a lotus. So you've really been going through a lot to get that sacred geometry vibe. And it shows as you glow. This has got to be the loudest reading, especially just now. So this is a time when energies may want to distract you. So look at this focus, because your energy balanced with your breath is what's going to help to tune you and alchemize any low vibes that will fall, or at the very least be dealt with and exposed to a dread kind of light. And this is celebration here with 3 and a drum. Okay, my love.